It's already so early today. But Mom didn't wake me up. But why? What is this? This is a birthday wish card. Mom wished me a happy birthday! Oh my god, I completely forgot. Today is my birthday. Today, on 6th May, I was born. I am very happy because Mom wished me first. I should thank Mom right now. Wow, the living room is beautifully decorated. It looks so nice. Good morning, Mila. Happy birthday to you, my dear. Thank you, Mom, for everything.
But why?
Thank you for remembering my birthday and decorating everything so beautifully.
This is just the beginning. There are still many more surprises waiting for you.
I am so excited for today. I can't wait to see all the surprises and enjoy this special day.
But for all of this, you will have to wait until evening.
Okay, Mom. I will wait. But where is Dad?
Good morning, Mila.
Good morning, Dad.
Happy birthday, Mila.
Thank you, Dad.
I have to go to work now. I will try to come back as soon as possible.
Dad, do you have to go now? But today is not your work day.
Yes, today is not my work day, but there is an emergency. I will be back soon with a surprise for you.
Okay, Dad. I will wait for you.
Bye, Mila.
Bye, Dad.
A birthday party has been arranged for Mila this evening. All of her friends have been invited. Her friends will arrive soon.
Mom, won't Dad be at my birthday party?
Don't worry, Mila. Dad will come back before the birthday party ends. Your friends will arrive soon. Be ready, Mila. Your friends will arrive soon. Hurry up and get ready, Mila.
Okay, Mom. Wow, this dress is so beautiful. It suits me perfectly. I am fully ready for the birthday party now. Mom, how do I look?
Wow, you look so beautiful. Do you like your birthday dress?
Yes, the dress is very beautiful.
Your friends will arrive soon, Mila.
Yay, friends!
Your friends have arrived, Mila. Go and welcome them.
I'm coming! Wait a minute!
Wow, the decoration is very beautiful.
We are very excited for the birthday party. Friends, welcome to my birthday party. Please enjoy the snacks. This gift is for you, Mila. Oh, thank you. I am very happy that you all came.
Mila, now it's time to cut the cake. Wow, the cake looks amazing.
But Dad is not here. Mom, when will Dad return?
Don't worry, he will come soon.
Mom, how do I look?
Wow, you look so beautiful. Do you like your birthday dress?
Yes, the dress is very beautiful.
Your friends will arrive soon, Mila.
Yay, friends!
Your friends have arrived, Mila. Go and welcome them.
I'm coming! Wait a minute!
Wow, the decoration is very beautiful.
We are very excited for the birthday party. Friends, welcome to my birthday party. Please enjoy the snacks. But Dad is not here. Mom, when will Dad return?
Don't worry, he will come soon.
Mila,
Mila, didn't you eat dinner?
I wasn't hungry, Mom.
It's okay. Mila, what's scaring you?
What if Miss Kevin is right?
What do you mean?
Am I too shy for the stage?
Being quiet doesn't mean you are weak.
But the stage is very noisy.
Yes, sometimes silence is also courage.
Really?
Yes, stay calm. Courage is still courage.
Then I want another chance.
Then we try again, or try something different.
Okay.
Tomorrow will be hard, but you won't be alone.
Mom?
Yes? Thank you for coming to find me today.
I will always come looking for you.
You danced really well.
Thank you, Dad.
We have a professional here.
I can recognize talent.
Oh, really?
Mom, what's that?
Something special for you.
Can we see it now?
Of course.
Why not, Mom?
Because it's for tomorrow.
All right. Tomorrow is my chance to prove myself.
So, are you ready for tomorrow?
Yes, I'm ready for it.
Did you sleep well last night?
A little.
That's good. It just needs to start.
Mom, what if I feel scared again?
Then we take a deep breath and try again.
What if everyone looks at me?
It's okay. There's nothing to worry about.
I don't want to fail.
I know you can do it.